Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Study with Eyad. And today's lesson is about MS Word. And this is the chapter 1. Tools about MS Word. Tools in MS Word. Here, if you just need to open, click New and Blank Document. You have this, right? There is paste. There's also this paste. You can paste the thing that you copied. There's format painter. Also, you can make the body style, and you can put the sizes also. You can click Control Shift P. Lots of tools are there. You just click Dictate. Watch. Hello. There's a word called hello. That will happen when we dictate. There's also editor. You can change the words. If you click this, lots of words you can change. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna type here. Okay, wait, in insert I forgot. There's tables, lots of things. Icons, 3D models, and also text box. There's designs also of word. You can change the fonts of the word in design. You can change layouts there. In view there's other things, but there's no record in this one. There's no word here. Okay, so I'm gonna type something. The title is My Home. Now if you select this like this, you have the options. You can click on this, make the word any wait a minute, kids. Wait a minute. You can make the word any color. Also you can put it a line like this. Also if the word is not big enough, you can click on this. If this one is not also big enough, you can also change it into big one. Also you can change it to 28. Okay. So if we click Dictate, watch. My home is nice. My home is amazing.
I love my home.
She just have typed my home. Okay, shall we read aloud? Also, if we select this fully, we can go to review and read aloud.
My home is nice, my home is amazing, my home.
Like that. Also, if you select these, and you can read. Look.
My home. My home is nice, my home is amazing, my home.
There's lots of things you can select. You can also delete these. And also if you select these all, watch.
My home. My home is nice. My home is amazing.
You can do like those. So if you need to save it, click File, Save, and this PC. You don't need to, if you don't want to enter the file name, the name of the file will come automatically. It's selected. And if we go to the Word and Microsoft Word, you can save it as a PDF. And if you save it, it will automatically open. Here it is. And also we can also also we can go to File and Microsoft Word. Where is it? Here it is. Maybe sorry, I was opening the wrong way. Also we can do right click, open with. You can open with Microsoft Edge. Here it is. Here's the thing that I saved. It was nice. It was like the Microsoft Word. Now if we read aloud this one, You'll see what will happen.
My home. My home.
Another voice. Wait, the voice is so fast. I can go to normal. Okay. If we click on this now, so now we can read aloud.
Home is nice. My home is amazing.
Also, we can read aloud again.
My home. My home is nice. My home is amazing.
There's a different voice between them. So, okay, so this is the end of the video. So leave a like and subscribe. Okay, I'll just don't save and bye.